Hello, ladies and gentlemen. Today is July 14th, 2024. Doing a late night walk with the doggies to explore in the woods. It's gonna get dark real soon here, so hopefully I get out in time. If not, well, I'll be walking in the dark. Today is the tomorrow that we worried about yesterday, folks. So go out and get some nature. Live, love, laugh. Take a break. Enjoy life before you're made to take a break. And you won't be enjoying life. But we're going to do by the time we're done, I think maybe a 2-mile hike. Something pretty easy today. There's some big hills that I might run the dogs on, actually. Haven't decided yet. Come on, baby. I know it's weird to see them on leashes, but I don't know this area too well. Or if there's other people here. And Miss Mira, the one on the right, she likes to say hi to people in a aggressive way. She's really nice, sweetest dog ever, but she just comes off hard. Hope everyone's having a great Sunday, and talk with you later. That's a cool view right here.